Hi everyone! If you love baklava and have a sweet tooth but are adopting a ketogenic lifestyle, this is for you. Today we are making a delicious and guilt-free treat which I named Keto Baklava. This recipe is actually known as Indian Pistachio Katli. This version that I will share with you is low-carb, sugar-free, full of antioxidants and minerals, and serves as an absolutely delicious dessert. In Indian cuisine, katli refers to a thin slice or piece often used in desserts like cashew katli, made with cashews, or pista katli, made with pistachios. Today we will be making pista katli. I wanted to also name this creation Keto Baklava since it reminded me of Turkish baklavas, but without the flour and syrup. Pistachios are not only delicious, but also packed with essential nutrients. For example, 1 ounce, which is 28 grams, serving of pistachios contains about 160 calories, 60 grams of protein, and 13 grams of total fat, primarily heart-healthy, monounsaturated, and polyunsaturated fats. They also provide 8 grams of carbohydrates, including 3 grams of fiber. Carbohydrates are totally fine when they come from fiber-rich sources like pistachios, as the fiber helps to slow down the insulin spikes that can occur after eating carbs. Pistachios are rich in vitamins and minerals such as vitamin B6, thiamine, phosphorus, potassium, magnesium, iron, zinc, copper, and manganese. This mineral and vitamin mix supports our energy levels, muscles, bones, blood flow, and immunity, all in one tasty snack. Additionally, pistachios provide a good source of antioxidants such as lutein and zeaxanthin, which benefit our bodies by supporting eye health and protecting against age-related macular degeneration. This nutrient profile makes pistachios a tasty snack and a smart choice for boosting our overall health. The countries that export the most pistachios are United States, particularly California, Iran, Turkey, Germany, and Italy. California is the top pistachio exporter, accounting for the majority of the global pistachio exports. So, let's get started. For this recipe, you will need pistachios soaked overnight, ghee, cardamoms, and monk fruit extract for sweetening. This recipe ditches the thin wheat phyllo dough and sugary syrup for a completely keto-friendly twist. By avoiding the dough and syrup, we are giving our dessert and our bodies a double win, keeping our gut happy by avoiding gluten and sidestepping that hidden sugar crash that can leave us feeling sluggish, causing brain fog. To shift our bodies from relying on glucose to burning fat for fuel, we can adopt a low-carb, high-fat diet. This process leads to ketosis when combined with intermittent fasting for at least 18 hours, which involves consuming healthy fats, moderate protein, and minimal carbohydrates, enabling our bodies to efficiently use stored fat for energy. However, it's important to note that such a ketogenic diet with intermittent fasting alone does not guarantee weight loss. For effective weight loss, it's crucial for us to maintain a caloric deficit diet by incorporating regular exercise into our lifestyles. At least 6 hours of exercise per week increases our muscle mass, which in turn burns more calories in our resting state. Please remember that any muscle we do not use can turn into fat. Ketogenic diet and intermittent fasting is not suitable for everybody. Please consult with your doctor before you change your diet or lifestyle. Coming back to the recipe, here is the ingredients list. We will need 2 cups unsalted, good quality pistachios. You can also try this recipe with walnuts or cashews. A few tablespoons of ghee. Since pistachios already have heart-healthy fats, I have opted for just a few spoons of ghee. You can add more if you like. Ghee is clarified butter, famous in Indian cuisine. It does not contain much of the milk protein called casein that can cause an immune reaction for some people, like gluten does, because casein resembles gluten in our bodies. Both of them are proteins. 1 teaspoon ground cardamom. I will show you how to grind it easily. Cardamom is our key ingredient here. giving this dessert its unique and aromatic taste. 1/4 cup monk fruit extract. Please adjust this amount to taste. Some recipes add green food coloring to the mix, which I do not recommend unless it's from organic herbs and it is freshly made. Before we begin, let me show you how to crack open cardamom pods to get the seeds inside. Just take a cardamom pod and gently press it with the back of a spoon or with a garlic press until it splits open. Once it's cracked, you can easily extract the tiny black seeds. These seeds are what we will use for that distinctive cardamom flavor, which makes a huge difference in the success of this dessert. First, we start by grinding our pistachios into a fine powder. Please make sure they are unsalted and of good quality for the best flavor and soaked overnight. Please be aware that milling nuts in a flour mill or a professional coffee grinder, which I tried in the past, is not recommended due to the oils that the nuts contain. These oils can interfere with the mill's function and lead to maintenance issues, which my husband had to fix it for me. So you will need a separate grinder for nuts. I have used the food chopper because I didn't have a nut grinder. It's made them a bit coarse and that is okay. If you have a good nut grinder, it's better. You can obtain a smooth, fine flour out of pistachios. Please make sure the nut grinder you pick is childproof because so many of them that I looked up online had the blades exposed. That was so scary, and I have returned the one I have recently purchased because of that reason. If you know of a good nut grinder which is also childproof, please share it in the comments down below with us. Now that we have our pistachio powder, let's move on to the next step. In a pan, please melt the ghee over low heat. While the ghee is melting, mix the pistachio powder with the ground cardamom and monk fruit extract. Once again, cardamom is our key ingredient here, giving this dessert its unique and aromatic taste that reminded me of baklavas. You can add some little bit of water as well. Stir the mixture in the medium heat until well combined and give it about 5 minutes of simmering time. When done, please spread the mixture evenly on a lined baking tray. Make sure it's nice and smooth. Please pop it into the fridge for about an hour to let it set, let the ghee harden. Once it is set, take it out of the fridge and cut it into diamond shapes that my friend did it for me. And there you have it, delicious and healthy keto baklava that you can enjoy with your family. Please look at these beautiful pieces, perfect for a guilt-free indulgence. I think the cardamom and ghee really elevated the flavor. I hope you give this healthy dessert a try, and thanks for watching. If you have enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to comment and share your ideas with me and the community. I hope to see you next time for more healthy and delicious content. If you like to stay connected with me, please remember to subscribe and like this video. It really helps me to get discovered with the YouTube algorithms. Until next time, take care, stay healthy. Bye.